Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking some collard greens. The way I'm preparing it is very easy and just follow the steps. In this video, I'm not gonna talk a lot today, so please read whatever pop up on the screen because I'm trying to save my voice for American Got Talent. I'm just kidding. I just don't like talking that much while I cook, so please watch the video and read whatever pop up on your screen. As you can see, I'm washing the collard greens. They are so big because I was feeling lazy and I saw them already cut at Walmart, so I just picked those ones. But usually you take the whole collard greens, the whole leaf, and cut it little. It'd be really good when you do that.